Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Looking for the best 4K professional drone on AliExpress in 2026? Whether you're a content creator, travel vlogger, aerial photographer, or simply someone who loves capturing breathtaking views from the sky, we've selected 5 amazing drones that offer impressive features, smooth flight performance, and stunning image quality. In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 best 4K professional drones on AliExpress in 2026, covering their key features, flight capabilities, camera performance, and what makes each one stand out. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's take off. Number 1. SX1 Max 4K Professional Drone. The SX1 Max is a feature-packed drone equipped with a 4K HD camera, electronic image stabilization, a 3-axis gimbal, GPS positioning, brushless motors, 5G transmission, and a screen-equipped remote controller. Designed for serious aerial photography enthusiasts, this drone offers stable flight performance and smooth video capture. The combination of GPS and a 3-axis gimbal helps create steady footage even during dynamic flights. Pros: 4K HD camera, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, GPS positioning system, brushless motors, 5G image transmission, screen-equipped remote controller. The SX1 Max is an excellent choice for users who want professional-style aerial footage and reliable flight performance. Number 2. ZH8 4K Camera Drone. The ZH8 drone features a 4K camera, integrated display controller, brushless motors, foldable design, airdrop functionality, and up to 20 minutes of flight time. Its compact foldable design makes transportation easy, while the built-in screen controller allows users to monitor flights without needing additional devices. Pros: 4K camera system, built-in screen controller, foldable and portable design, brushless motor technology, airdrop functionality, and up to 20 minutes of flight time. The ZH8 is a great option for beginners and casual drone pilots looking for convenience and portability. Number 3. New 4K Live View Drone. This 2026 model features a 4K camera with live view transmission, brushless motors, stabilized flight performance, foldable construction, and airdrop capabilities. Built for fun and creative aerial photography, this drone offers smooth control and real-time video viewing. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry for vacations, parties, and outdoor adventures. Pros: 4K camera with live view transmission, stable flight performance, brushless motors, foldable design, easy-to-use controls, portable and travel-friendly. For users who want an affordable drone with modern features, this model delivers impressive value. Number 4. LYZRC L900 Pro Max Drone. The LYZRC L900 Pro Max comes with dual HD cameras, GPS positioning, brushless motors, FPV support, intelligent flight functions, and a foldable frame design. This drone is built for users who want more control and enhanced aerial photography capabilities. GPS-assisted flight improves stability, while FPV support provides an immersive flying experience. Pros: dual HD camera system, GPS-assisted flight, brushless motor performance, FPV real-time transmission, foldable construction, intelligent flight features. The L900 Pro Max stands out as one of the most capable drones available for aerial photography and content creation in 2026.
Number 5. Potensic Atom 2 Drone. The Potensic Atom 2 is one of the most advanced drones on this list. It features 4K video recording, 8K photo capability, 2.7K vertical shooting node, AI night photography, up to 10 km transmission range, and intelligent flight technology. Built for content creators and photography enthusiasts, this drone combines powerful imaging technology with long-range performance. The AI-assisted features help capture stunning footage in various environments. Pros: 4K video recording, 8K photo capture, 2.7K vertical shooting mode, AI night photography, up to 10 km transmission range, advanced intelligent flight features. The Potensic Atom 2 stands out as one of the most capable drones available for aerial photography and content creation in 2026.
Best overall drone, Potensic Atom 2. Best professional drone, SX1 Max 4K professional drone. Best GPS drone, LYZRC L900 Pro Max. Best portable drone, ZH8 4K camera drone. Best budget-friendly drone, new 4K Live View drone. And that's our list of the top 5 best 4K professional drones on AliExpress in 2026. Whether you're capturing cinematic landscapes, creating social media content, exploring aerial photography, or simply enjoying the thrill of flying, there's a drone on this list that's perfect for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews and buying guides. Also, let us know in the comments, which drone from today's list would you love to fly first? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more amazing tech finds. Until then, stay safe, fly smart, and keep exploring the world from above. Bye for now.